Thought of the day. Imam Abu Hanifa quoted, "A little action with knowledge is far more beneficial than a lot of action with ignorance." Thank you.
Information about Imam Abu Hanifa rahmatullah alayh. The name Abu Hanifa is derived from the name of one of his daughters, meaning the father of Hanifa. Hanifa, the daughter of Imam, was well known for her piousness, showed great intelligence and wisdom at an early age. Also had a son. She had her own halqa, a study circle, where she instructed students in the matter of religion. The Imam Abu Hanifa's full name was Numan ibn Thabit. He was born in the city of Kufa in Iraq, 67 years after the death of Muhammad, peace be upon him. He was the only son of his parents. His father was a rich businessman, and from a very early age, he involved in business with his father. His father died when he was 16, so he learned silk trade from his grandfather. Imam Abu Hanifa used his knowledge to help others. He started teaching and soon became known for his wisdom and understanding of the Islamic law. He developed a method to interpret the Quran and Hadith, which help people to understand and practice Islam more better. But what made Abu Hanifa truly special was his character. He was known for his honesty, wisdom, and respect for others. Even when he became a famous scholar, he remained humble and always willing to learn. Thank you.
Today's amazing facts. First, the famous Imam as-Sahabi, who gave him the advice to study the religion of Islam more in depth. That one piece of advice changed the life of Imam Abu Hanifa, and he became one of the greatest scholars of Islamic history. Second, he founded the Hanafi school of fiqh, which is one of the greatest schools of Islamic history. Third, he benefited from nearly 4,000 sheikhs and is reputed to have performed 50 Hajj in his lifetime. Fourth, he collected 40,000 hadith, and after selecting the authentic Sahih hadith out of them, he wrote his book Kitabul Asr, that is one of the very first of its kind for a book written during Islamic history. Fifth, he is buried in the city of Baghdad, Iraq. Thank you.